Namaste children, I am Smita, your English teacher from Mangala Vidya Mandira. Class 5th Standard, Subject English. In today's class, let us learn a poem called as Results and Roses. Poem 6, Results and Roses. This poem was written by Edgar Albert Guest. Edgar Albert Guest was born on 20th August 1881. He died on 5th August 1959. He was a British-born American poet who was popular in the first half of the 20th century and came to be known as a people's poet. His poems often had an inspirational and optimistic view of everyday life. On August 20th, 1881, Edgar Guest was born in Birmingham, England, to Edwin and Julia Wayne Guest. The family settled in Detroit, Michigan in 1891. When Edwin lost his job in 1893, 11-year-old Edgar began working odd jobs after school. In 1895, he was hired as a copy boy for the Detroit Free Press. His father died when the poet was 17, and Guest was forced to drop out of high school and work full-time at the newspaper. His first poem appeared on December 11, 1898. Edgar Albert Guest's poems are The Temple, What Makes It of Worth, A Christmas Carol, He Has Taken Out His Papers, The Path to Home, The Common Joys, etc. So children, in today's class, let us learn a poem called as Results and Roses. So Unit 6, Poem, Results and Roses. Children, success and achievement always comes with hard work, isn't it? A person who keeps trying to gain success feels happy when his hard work brings fruitful results. In such case, one can proudly show others the path he has followed to reach the goal, isn't it? So here is a poem which explains the results of hard work in life. So let us begin the poem, Results and Roses. The man who wants a garden fair, or small or very big, with flowers growing here and there, must bend his back and dig. So in this poem, the poet says that only if we bend and dig the ground, we are able to produce a garden full of flowers which would grow everywhere around. So we are able to produce a garden either big or small, full of flowers, only when we work hard. Or a person who expects a beautiful garden of flowers blooming here and there must work hard, whether it is big or small garden. What does this mean, children? That means that a person should work hard if he expects good results or outcome, whichever field it is. Isn't it? You all as students should work hard to achieve success, to get good marks. Just like that, in whichever field you want to gain success, you should definitely work hard. The things are mighty few on earth that wishes can attain. Whatever we want of any worth, we have got to work to gain. We all have many wishes in life, isn't it? But the opportunities are very few on this earth. Whatever we want to gain, whether big or small things, whatever we want to achieve in life, we have to work hard or put our hard work to gain them or to get them, isn't it? So if you sit idly doing nothing, we get nothing, isn't it? So that's why the poet says that to attain anything in life, we have to make the fullest use of the opportunities and try hard to achieve that. Only then success will be ours. It matters not what goal you seek, its secret here reposes. You have got to dig from week to week to get results or roses. So it is not important, children, the poet says that it is not important whether the goal that you have kept in life is big or small. The secret here, reposes means lies. The meaning of reposes means lies or stays. Okay, the secret here lies that you have to dig. Dig means try hard. From week to week. Week to week means continuously to get good results or good outcome. So the results are like roses here. Roses indicates happiness or best outcome. Children, this is a very small poem, so I hope you have understood the poem. So children, idleness or laziness or doing nothing doesn't lead us anywhere, isn't it? To achieve in life, one should work hard. So as students, you all should keep an ambition and work hard to achieve it. So when you become successful and look back, you will feel proud that you have tried your level best to achieve it, isn't it? So let us all work with interest and determination to achieve success. Okay children, now coming to the homework part. The homework is write the poem Results and Roses twice in your homework book and send it through WhatsApp. Thank you children.